What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got something big today. As you guys can probably already tell from the thumbnail and the description of the video, we got the turbo installed. So again, I installed most of this stuff last weekend. We were missing one part from Speed by Design, but they overnighted us that part. So I got it here on Tuesday. So literally, 2 nights, or I finished up last Sunday. So I emailed them on Monday morning. They sent it out that day. I got it on Tuesday. So guys, I got everything for it. We're gonna finish it up today, but I just want to give you a quick little snippet of what she's gonna look like. So here we go. But there she is, guys. She is totally installed. Again, I did everything on this one, so we are basically you're almost fully done. Just had to put the hose clamps on my coolant lines here. We have to map from the brake booster over here. We have to map the line that's going to be going up to our basically our blow-off valve here. So just got to map those, and then I got my new crash bar I got to put on the front end here. Then put the bumper back on, got to put the oil cooler in, so got to pull the oil filter, all that good stuff. But we are really freaking close. So I'm super excited for this. But yeah, guys, she is fully installed now. I'm going to go through, we're going to finish her up today. I have been making a full installation video, so that is going to come as well. We're just going to do a little snippet here just to let you guys know that it is installed. I mean, we are really close. So as you guys can see here, just got to do the blow-off valve line, go back there to the vacuum line. So we are freaking close as could be. It's going to be awesome. I'm so excited. I still need to get the tune. So I have the tuner, have everything for that. I just got to email the guy, get a hold of the tune, and it'll be ready to go. So hopefully in the next week, I will have this thing started up and ready to go. Today I'm going to finish the rest of the install. Just got to put the crash bar on. Do the oil cooler, as I said, all that kind of good stuff. And then I'm going to go back through, I'm going to tighten everything down, make sure everything is good. Going to change the oil, put a new filter on. Oil's already drained, sorry. So we're just going to pull the filter, put the oil cooler on, fill her back up with oil, and she'll basically be ready to go. I'm going to leave her up just to make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. So, but we are really close. But all right, guys, I just want to make a quick video to let you guys know that the turbo is fully installed. Everything is almost ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and knock this stuff out right now. So guys, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned because we're gonna have a ton of videos coming with this. As I said, there's gonna be like 3 or 4 videos with the full step-by-step installation. So I basically made a video as I was installing everything. So I don't know many full of the Speed by Design full installation videos, but there's gonna be one coming. So guys, again, like the channel, stay tuned. There's gonna be lots to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.